Ratti. I'm professor at MIT, will run the Sensible City Lab, and also co-founder of design office Carlo Ratti Associati. Well, the idea is very simple. What we need to have is more ICUs with biocontainment. In hospital, you have negative pressure so that viruses don't get out of the room. And so we started thinking about, can we use a container, actually shipping container, for biocontainment, for actually having negative pressure and use that as a basis for ICU. That was the beginning of the project. We started very recently, and we started this in an open source way. It was really, really exciting how tens or actually over 100 people now came together in order to help with this. People from design, from engineering, from different disciplines, from the medical field, really helping to do this. And this is done as a non-profit open source initiative. So the idea is, can we actually share our knowledge and make it accessible to other people? And then, all of this is really publicly accessible, so it can be scaled up globally. If you look at today's solutions, they broadly fall into two categories. Either you take like a convention center or a big open space and you put a lot of beds in there, but the problem there is that you create spaces with a lot of virus, you don't have bioconfinement, and so a lot of the medical professionals work in very difficult conditions. Or the other option is you build prefabricated hospitals, but then it's going to take quite a long time. Even with the fastest ones you're talking about, 6, 8, 12 weeks. So in this way, our idea, can we have something that's as fast as a temporary tent hospital, but as safe as a proper hospital with negative pressure and biocontainment? Well, we really don't know how things will evolve in the next few months, but we certainly see this as potentially a very competitive solution, being fast and safe. One thing we've seen about this pandemic is actually the things seem to move very quickly. Today is New York, tomorrow might be here in Boston, might be in other cities. We're seeing this in Italy right now. Milan is at the forefront, but Naples might be next. And so if you got this modular system that you can move from one city to another city, then you got much more flexibility in order to respond to the crisis. But clearly, this would work very, very well with the automotive industry if you take a big production line and can churn them off in very, very big numbers. Then, can really think about scaling up extremely rapidly.